a temperature check, and then disinfectant for the hands, shoes, and school bag. This is the strict anti-coronavirus routine that masked students and staff go through before entering the Millennium Education primary school in the Pakistani capital, Islamabad. It's one of about 36,000 private schools in the country that have robust resources to cope with the pandemic and follow the government's COVID-19 guidelines. But it's a different story in Pakistan's impoverished rural regions. A layer of dirt is swept away outside this state school in the village of Pishin in Balochistan province. They do the best with what they have. Inside, 13-year-old Mohammedullah and his classmates keep their masks on. But not everybody has one. Some girls use headscarves to cover their mouths. Teacher Abdul Baqi does his best to enforce health measures to fight the coronavirus. His school was one of about 200,000 state academic institutions that were shut in March's countrywide lockdown. Classes began again in September, and Baqi says the staff is committed to keeping the school safe and open. There have been more than 320,000 confirmed COVID-19 cases in Pakistan, with at least 6,600 deaths. In the city of Mardan, in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province, 8-year-old Sana Saqib is happy to be back at her state school. She and other students diligently wash their hands and disinfect before their classes. But keeping students at a safe distance during their lessons has posed a challenge. Bigger classes have been divided into two, with students attending lessons on alternate days to avoid overcrowding. As the bell rings at the end of the school day, students in Mardan wash their hands one last time before heading home. It has been a lesson in contrasts as Pakistan's schools learn to cope with the pandemic. And they could all face bigger tests in the coming months, with the expected rise in COVID-19 cases in the country.